LiPo4 batteries, they're really lightweight, a lot lighter than the old cell batteries. Now these got two types of prongs over here, one for one side, one for the other. So you want to be careful, take some tape, take some caps, put them on so you don't short out the other end. And what we have here is an on and off switch. If you press the switch on, it shows you the amount of charge that this battery has. The one thing you don't want this thing to do is drain below its voltage. So let's go get a reading on an ohms meter what the actual voltage is. Yellow on yellow, there is a positive mark on these both terminals. And over here, there is a negative mark. And we read 13.30 volts, 13.29. This kit, they give you a precision screwdriver and the bolts that will go on here. That should be about 10 millimeters. You're given a case that you could extend your unit, and you're going to turn your battery to the side or upside down, and you're going to put these on. You're given a frame case to put on the bottom, an extension as you can see, and the bolts on top. You have instructions and a guide on how to do that. I'm going to take my time. I'm going to hook up a battery charging unit so I can charge my cables when I'm out and about in the field. I am hooked up. I am going to plug in my unit. I'm able to now charge my battery. And I have a LiPo that I can charge up that will take a number of hours to charge depending on how I set it up. We're charging. That's simple. If I want to check my voltage, I'm at, say, 75% of battery. And that is how I go about out in the field, something very portable. I'm over here and I want to basically charge my battery. I have a solar charger that I can hook up and run things on. I am charging my battery even though it says 3/4 full and is on a solar charger. As we take a nice close-up look, we could check the power. We're on full, and this does a great job for what we need it to do. Not just for a motorcycle, but anything that accepts 12 volts, like blowing up those holiday inflatables, rafts, running an electric motor on the water with the raft, anything imaginable. This battery is right for you. But they come in many sizes of mAh. You'll decide which right amp hours are for you. The LiPo Maxlithium battery. I hope it's the right choice for your needs.